We'll guide you through how to download the Inkscape software. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your preferred web browser and type in Inkscape official website in the search bar. Click the link for the official Inkscape website, which is usually the first result. Once you're on the website, you'll see a download button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on that button and it will take you to the download page here. You need to select your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Let's say you're using Windows, select that option. You will then see different versions of Inkscape available for download. Choose the latest stable release to ensure you have the most up-to-date features and security updates. Click on the installer link and the download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and double-click the Inkscape installer file. A setup wizard will appear to guide you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, selecting your preferences and agreeing to the terms and conditions. When prompted, choose the installation location and proceed to install the software. After the installation is complete, you can launch Inkscape from your desktop or start menu. Take a moment to explore the interface and maybe even try out a few tools to get a feel for it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.